how to fix NIBC Bank app won't let me log in. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. So the issue might arise due to the connectivity issue. In that case, what you want to do is, you have to check whether your internet connection is stable or not. So make sure that you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi. Once your connection is stable enough, the next thing you want to do is head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for NIBC Bank. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. If that's the case, then tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In here, search for the application NIBC Bank. Once you find it, head over to it. You will be landing on this page. Right here, tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix your issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix NIBC Bank app won't let me log in. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.